This is the brand new Height Y40.
Let's take a look inside.
We got ATX motherboard support, 280mm radiator support at the side, 360mm at the top. It comes with a luxury PCIe riser cable pre-installed, and I'll say this again, this is the most solid riser cable I've ever used. I wonder if this case will fit this gigantic 4080. Alright, just sliding this in, I think it will probably fit. Let's line this up with this riser cable. Alright, I dropped it down, it actually does fit. Although it does sit pretty close to the glass. Here's a better angle.
I'll check temps with this case very soon.
Other side of the case, look at that awesome design. And this too. Whoa. We got a 120mm fan at the bottom of the case as intake and one as exhaust already pre-installed. Looks like a good design. Cable management shouldn't be too hard. And I really like the toolless design of both side panels. Really excited to build in this case. Follow and like for more.